Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to this week's weekly intuitive guidance, Monday the 3rd to Monday the 10th of Manifesting March, as I'm away the long weekend here in Australia. We're all human beings and we all get to experience our life from our own little private bubbles of reality. But we'll often defend those bubbles till the end, okay? And we get bitter and resentful, and for what? To be right? No. We all have our own perspective of how our house should look, how our life should look. And I want to say to you that home is you and you are home. But that is right for each and every one of you, and what feels at home to me will be different to what feels at home to you. So know that every person's history, story, is from their experiences. Respect theirs and keep writing your own. So much love, your intuitive life coach, Tracy.